What's up, guys? It's Harper here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. And today I'm going to show you how to make homemade Play-Doh with 3 ingredients you're probably going to have in your kitchen. So first, add 1 cup of flour. Then add a half cup salt. Then you want your big half cup of water. And then you want to start kneading. You have to knead for a few minutes, and after, this is what it should look like. Your nice Play-Doh you can use at any time. And add food coloring if you would like. And yeah, that is an easy recipe. Well guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, turn notifications. See you guys later. Bye. Peace.